that's why here, because I want to go for a strictly pleated look. I want my curtains to look like this when I hang them, because I want to leave them open. And we are going to be changing these blinds out. I do have a company that is sponsoring the blinds, so once that come in, we'll do that video once those get in. But we are going to be changing the blinds. What's at hand here is my piece from Z Gallery. It does have a tag on the top. See, this is the top. I kind of got you close. Let me pull you back some so that we can get kind of sort of all of this in the box. So, and you guys have not saw this yet, but those are those two buffets that I did order. Now I'm going to tell you, I am still looking for something because I need it to be no more than 15 inches in width, and this is like a 30, I think this is a 32.5 inches in height. Now preferably if I can get, well, if I go any further, because you see from my focus, you see from the bottom of my mirror here to that, altogether I think that's maybe 8 inches. But if I can come up, even if I come pretty close to it within like an inch or two, because I won't move the mirrors. This is a, I think I said this is a, the table's a 33. It's a little bit higher than the table, so 34. If I can get 38 to 40 inches on this piece here, I would truly, truly love it. But if not, I am still looking for a piece, and I definitely want a piece with a better quality for what I needed to do to move out that other buffet. And I told you, we've had that in the family for a while. It was too bulky. You guys, you know, here in the mini villa, even though this is my villa, it is space challenged. I am very spaciously challenged. So I opted to go with what was more suitable and pleasing to me, especially once I found this table here. Now you guys, this table did come from Ashley's Furniture, and because I loved it, I really like the table. I really, really like the table. And because I did love this table, I wanted the table. I knew it was going to change my positioning. But I'm going to tell you guys, that oval shaped table, for some reason, I don't know why the oval table seemed to take up way more space. And this table is big. I'm gonna take out the box, but I have more clearance this way. And we're gonna move this out because we're setting up the kitchen. In here in line with this, it works. And we're going to open up this box from Z Gallery. And you guys, this is my lips vase, and it's going to sit on that right there where that is. I'm pulling that off, but this is going to sit there. And she's going to sit like so, like that. Yeah, like so, like that. Now these are coming out. I'm going to even change the lamps as well, and you're going to get that in that kitchen video, which you're going to be getting it. You make sure you should have caught part 1. I don't know if I got part 2 of the guest room release. I had to do it in parts because it took me a minute to get everything waiting on the parts to put the bed together. Then you guys, I'm going to be showing you in an upcoming video. Now my bed was ordered not for the mini villa, but for the villa. So with that being said, my room is packed to the brim. It's packed. It's not filmable packed, I would say. But I'm going to still let you see it, and I'm going to put everything kind of sort of what I can in this right place, what go in this right place, but it's packed, and I couldn't pull out the other pieces because the bed, I got the bed, the nightstand, and the dresser out. I couldn't put out the second nightstand, and of course I've already knew that. I couldn't put the chest, I couldn't even put the bench in the room in the 2 chairs, because when we position into the actual villa, the space is totally different, and it can handle everything that I just mentioned, and I can do a whole lot more in the space. But with that being said, we're just going to continue this along. Make sure, like I say, you catching all of the 2025 reset videos. I hope you've already caught the living room. The bathroom is going to just be a semi makeover upgrade. I am editing that right now. I'm really just doing the voiceover. It's already edited. I just got to go back in and do my voiceover. But this is what the piece is looking like. And once again, drop me a comment what you think we are bringing the kitchen. And I think how I'm going to do it with the kitchen, I'm going to bring you everything I've done, and I won't give you a completed look. I'll come, I don't know, we're going to see. Yeah, we're going to see how we're going to make this video. But here's my piece, you guys, and I do love it. Now we have this picture that is going up here in the kitchen. It's a BB picture. It did come from Burlington, and it was $49.99. You guys, we've had this sitting in the back room probably for about 4 months. So what I opted to do with this one, and we do have a total of 3 of these. We're only utilizing 1. I'm going to put the other 2 in storage, but we're going to put this one on this wall here, and I'm going to show you what we're going to put on this wall here. We do have another buffet coming here, plus I'm going to set up my bar cart that's going to be on this wall here. Never mind my little shoe caddy. I do like it here. I'm either going to paint it, but you guys, what I'm opting to do is, because my niece wants actually wants this, and this is the color of her space. I think I'm gonna just give it to her. You see, I was going to actually paint it, which I did that little test, and I'm going to take my witch hazel and take that off. Witch hazel will remove some of your paint, a lot of your paint, you guys. I'm gonna let you see what the other picture that I do have for this side of the actual kitchen. This is for the dining room. Look at that, you guys. That is a Burlington fine as well. They had one that was this size. It was just cut in half. Look at the price of that, you guys. Same price, $49.99. Now, that is a 3-day ago purchase. Repositioned the one sconce, and I got them even, and she looks lovely. Now all we have to do is this space. I will not be getting the buffet piece in. It's at March the 12th. You're gonna definitely get this video before then, so I'm going to hang my other picture, still clean this up. Piece number 1. This came from Burlington, and it was $15.99. They don't have it on the bottom, but it was $15.99. We did pick up 2 of these candle holders. I got these from Big Lots. You guys know Big Lots is going out of business. My one location that's in area close here to my city, I did snag these in there, and I got 4. They were original $7.99. They was like 30% off. So but I did snag 4. I also snagged me 2 of these, and they were $10.99. This is another Roses Fine. I'm sorry, the first vase, Fine number 1, is a Roses Fine as well. So that was Roses, $15.99. This one was $10.99. We did get 2 of these. I got the larger one for $14.99. And as you can see, there is a width and a height distance, and we did get 2 of these. Now, all of the pieces that you have saw in this video, you guys, they are pieces for my dining room and my kitchen. I am almost at complete mode for my kitchen. Like I say, I do have to replace I am taking out the other stand and putting in a different type of buffet along with my bar cart. I'll let you see me set up the bar cart. I could not get a chrome bar cart with the exception of the one that was 47 inches. So I did opt to do the smaller white one. And we are using this Rust-Oleum metallic silver 2 times the cover spray paint. We are getting ready to go outside so that I can paint it. This is that first coat. And it looks like right now it has different variations of silver in the picture. And I think I'm actually liking that.